my class. Let's look at this simple question on the board. What is the relative molecular mass of the compound below? We are looking for the relative molecular mass of this compound. You are going to learn two things here. You learn how to name this structure. Don't be afraid of the structure. You are going to learn how to name this structure. Then you learn how to calculate the relative molecular mass of this structure. Now, this structure can be divided into two because it consists of two organic compounds. One is hydrocarbon. Now, this structure, the first structure here, is the structure of benzene. This is the structure of benzene. This is the structure of benzene. Then we also have COO. COO. Then CH3. This COO is the functional group of alkanoids. It is the functional group of organic compound called alkanoids. Alkanoids. The word OH is COO. So why the general formula for alkanoids is RCOOR. RCOOR is the general formula for alkanoids. So the first R, together with this functional group, is part of the main organic compound. So we always name the first R together with what? With the functional group, because it is part of the main organic compound. So while this R can be an alkyl group, the second R can be an alkyl group, then it can be what? An atom. It can be any molecule. Now let's take, for example, we have the structure of benzene. So the structure of benzene will be named together with the functional group of these alkanoids. The structure of benzene will go with the functional group of alkanoids. So this structure and the COO will go together. So we are going to name them together. Don't forget that COO is what? Is alkanoids. That is the word OH from alkanoids. Now we have benzene. We have benzene. Then we have alkanoids. This COO is called OH plus OH. Then plus the CH3 is an alkyl group. CH3 is an alkyl group. So when you see CH3, it is called methyl. Methyl. So the benzene and OH will come together to give us benzoate. Benzene and OH, which is COO, will come together to give us benzoate. Then under alkanoids, we always name from the back to the front. So benzene will come first. So you are going to name this alkyl group first, which is CH3. So you call it methyl. You call it methylbenzoate. So the name of this structure is called methylbenzoate. Methylbenzoate. Now, let's calculate the molecular formula. Let's calculate the relative molecular formula of the structure. So we are going to transform this structure to what? To molecular form. The molecular formula of this methylbenzoate. So we have the structure of benzene. Then benzene is C6H6. But for this alkanoid to come in, for this structure of alkanoid to come in, so we have to remove one hydrogen atom. So this alkanoid has replaced one of the hydrogen atom from the structure of benzene. So the number of hydrogen atoms will reduce to 5. It will reduce to 5. Then it will give us C6H5. Then COO CH3. So this is the molecular formula for methylbenzoate. Now we want to calculate the relative molecular mass. So we are going to count each number of atoms. We are going to count each number of atoms that are present in this compound. Then how many carbon atoms? Let's start with carbon atom. How many carbon atoms do we have? We have 6 here plus 1. That is 7. 7 plus 1 will give us 8. So we have 8 carbon atoms. Then plus how many hydrogen atoms? We have 5 here plus 3. will give us 8. So we have 8 hydrogen atoms, then plus, followed by oxygen. We have 2 oxygen atoms plus 2 O. So which is equal to, so we are going to multiply each number of atom by the what? By the atomic mass or the mass number. So we have 8 times the atomic mass of hydrogen, of carbon atom is 12. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. So that is 8 times 12. Then plus the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. That would be 8 times 1. Then plus 2 times the atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16. Then we add everything together. 8 times 12 will give us 96. Then plus 8 times 1 will give us 8. Then plus 2 times 16 will give us 32. So let's add everything together. 32 plus 8, that is 40. Now 40 now plus what? Plus 96 will give us 136. So therefore the relative atomic mass of what? Of methyl benzoate is 136. So the correct option is what? Is A.